SAP FI Accounts Receivable. SAP FI Accounts Receivable component records and manages accounting data of all customers. It is also an integral part of sales management. All postings in accounts receivable are also recorded directly in the general ledger. Different GL accounts are updated depending on the transaction involved, for example, receivables, down payments, and bills of exchange. The system contains a range of tools that you can use to monitor open items such as account analysis, alarm reports, due date lists, and a flexible dunning program. The correspondence linked to these tools can be individually formulated to suit your requirements. This is also the case for payment notices, balance confirmations, account statements, and interest calculations. Incoming payments can be assigned to due receivables using user-friendly screen functions or by electronic means such as AD. The payment program can automatically carry out direct debiting and down payments. We have a range of tools available for documenting the transactions that occur in accounts receivable, including balance lists, journals, balance audit trails, and other standard reports. When drawing up financial statements, the items in foreign currency are revalued, customers who are also vendors are listed, and the balances on the accounts are sorted by their remaining life. Accounts receivable is not merely one of the branches of accounting that forms the basis of adequate and orderly accounting. It also provides the data required for effective credit management, as a result of its close integration with the sales and distribution component, as well as important information for the optimization of liquidity planning.